For juicy steaks, a meat thermometer is a kitchen must-have. It takes the guesswork out of achieving that perfect done level, so if you're looking forward to a medium-rare beef tenderloin, that's exactly what you're getting. For occasions like birthdays, you can check that a large bird is well cooked, taking the stress out of whether it's safe to eat and knowing the meat will still be tender and moist. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I present you 5 best digital meat thermometer 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Umedo brand. Digital meat thermometer designed with dual stainless steel probe, one built-in probe and one more external extension probe. The external probe with 40-inch wire allows the oven door to be closed, away from the heating when grill or smoker. Digital cooking thermometer features count up and countdown setting that is perfect for long-time cooking. Receiver will sound an alarm once reaches preset temperature. Goodbye to cook failure due to too long cooking time. Upgraded barbecue thermometer with larger backlight LCD display and ergonomics handle. Large digital with backlight function allows you to read clearly whether you are outdoors in strong sunlight or indoors in dim light. Kitchen thermometer is designed with 10 minutes automatic shutdown function, temp chart and backlight, hold, cal, alarm button. Number 4 in our top is from the ThermoPro brand. Cooking thermometer features 3.9 inches food-grade stainless steel probe and a high-precision sensor which receives internal temp within 3 to 4 seconds, accurate to plus or minus 0.9 degree Fahrenheit. Don't spend any extra time leaning over a hot surface. The food thermometer has a IPX6 waterproof rating that means you can wash the unit under running water without fear. The instant read thermometer ensures cleanup is ultra-fast. Kitchen thermometer can lock the current temp when the probe is removed from food and keep the temp displayed, no more dangerously peering into the oven or grill. Candy thermometer features a foldable probe designed to neatly store the thermometer in a drawer or use the magnetic back or hook for convenient storage. Calibration function adjusts your digital thermometer cooking back to the correct accuracy, making it a barbecue thermometer which lasts a lifetime. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the DOQAUS brand. Instant Read Meat Thermometer Digital provides precise temperature readings within 2 to 3 seconds. Made of premium 304 stainless steel, 4.6 foot in length and 0.06 in diameter. DOQAUS meat temperature probe can easily detect the core temperature of meat without worrying about large holes in your meat. Ultra-thin and sensitive digital meat thermometer probe delivers readings to 0.1 degrees. You will get the clarity temperature with the bright and large LCD screen. Also you can read the meat temperature in the dark while grilling with backlit button. You can read the internal temperature after removing the kitchen temperature probe from the food by the hold button. Short press to show the max or MIN temperature value for the tested food. Turkey thermometer will auto shut off if readout stays on for 10 minutes. The cooking thermometer probe turns on or off when you unfold or fold the probe. Magnetic back and hook allow for convenient storage. No more digging through the drawer to find the food temperature probe. Number 2 in our top is from the ThermoPro brand. Meat thermometers for grilling has a 180 degrees auto-rotating backlit display, making this kitchen thermometer perfect for left-hand users and allows you to use it in low-light conditions. Directly turns on and off by the probe opens for closes, instantly wakes when picked up the digital food thermometer and sleeps when set down to save battery power, up to 3,000 hours with included 3A battery. Quickly clean the digital meat thermometer with probe under running water. Features a magnetic back to allow for placement on any metal surface or use the hang hole for hooks. 3 to 4 seconds ultra-fast response time with highly accurate to plus or minus 0.9. Instant Read Meat Thermometer features 4.3 inches food-grade stainless steel probe, suitable for measure any type of food temp with the cooking thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer features lock function to lock the temperature on the display, so you can read temp away from the heat. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the KIZEN brand. Long gone are the days of overdone or undercooked food. Our instant read thermometer takes temperatures in as quick as 3 seconds, so you can enjoy a perfectly cooked meal every time. The meat and potatoes of a good cooking thermometer is one that can do it all. The KIZEN kitchen thermometer works great with beverages, frying oil, baking bread, candy making, and more. This digital thermometer for cooking steak, chicken, and other poultry displays the temperature of your food on a large LED screen. Perfect for use in the kitchen or grilling outdoors at night. We not only made this meat thermometer digital, but also a breeze to clean. Simply wash the temperature probe and body of the food thermometer in running water. Which digital thermometer would you like to buy for meat? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.